Isa today. Hey guys, today I'm the one who's supposed to cook pancit.
Guys, parang successful yung palitaw natin. Ayun lumulutang-lutang na sila guys. Ito yung pagkain ng mga bata. Okay, take it! Today, magsusuot pala tayo ng isa sa traditional dresses nila. So, we will show you guys. Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, kagagaling ko lang ng church and dumiretso na ako dito sa Chinese supermarket. Bumili ko ng glutinous rice flour. So, for today's video guys, magluluto tayo ng palitaw and ng pansit. So, right now guys, I'll just take taxi and then I will go to Binta's place and we will start. So, atcha, let's go! So guys, kakikita ko lang, medyo malapit na pala ako sa roundabout. So, lalakarin na lang natin. So, exercise and then you can save money too, no? Guys, we just arrived Bintas Junction. So, I will just buy some of the ingredients that I need for pancit. And then, guys, I will go there. To their place. So, guys, I'm buying in here. So, just cabbage and carrots and salt. So, guys, nakabili na pala ako kasi nalimutan kong bilan yung mga bata ng candy. So, bumalik ako, guys. Oh, it's nice. Depa nice. Ay, Binto knows how to do. Guys, we are here.
Kamusta?
Auntie has energy now. She's not doing fasting anymore.
No, I'm not fasting now.
Yeah.
I'm not fasting now.
We are here now, guys.
We're supposed to cook today pancit,
Pansit and palitaw.
Pancit and palitaw.
Palitaw. So we will try to make palitaw, guys, but there's no coconut. We will only dip the palitaw in the sugar. Auntie Binta doesn't know this one.
I don't know palitaw, but
Yeah.
today I will know.
Yeah, she will know it.
Yes.
So we will start, guys.
So let's go,
Let's go.
Yes. Our pancit is here. We are boiling the chicken,
Yeah.
Guys, I remove the skin. You know that for us here, we don't use the skin of chicken, That's why I remove it. You see now?
So guys, our ingredients are ready now. We already slice it. We already cut it. So still at this moment, guys, we are boiling the chicken. And we will start to make the dough for palitaw. So let's go! So guys, this glutinous rice flour, we bought it from the Chinese supermarket. So we will make a dough, guys. Let's go! So this is our glutinous rice, guys. We'll just put water and make a dough. And small salt. Otherwise it will get done. Just put it. It's fine. It will... So guys, you have to use your hands. Make sure your hands are clean. Guys, it's my first time to do this.
Palitaw. Town.
Palitaw.
It's town.
So it's okay now, guys. In small time, we will cook. So, Maget, what we will cook today?
Pancit and
Pansit and palitaw. Okay. So, you want to try palitaw now? It's not yet ready. Wait, ah.
Guys, today I'm the one who you cook today, ah. I'm the one who cooking this thing. How to call it, ah? Pansit, ah. Now I put the oil there already. Now I'm waiting the oil be this thing hot. If the oil hot, like I start, ah. Today we see. It's on today. Hey guys, ah. Today I'm the one who's supposed to cook pansit. Ah. Now the small kick, like if this thing cook already, maybe the small kick they will say it's nice or it's not nice. Now I will cook and wait for the small kick. If they say it's nice, you know that I'm the one who cook it. But if they say it's not nice, you know that antivirus is on. Hey guys, I'm putting the gallery there. That's what is large. Yes, sir. Talk a bit again. I can't see you. They can talk a bit. Begini. It's they put this in. I'm putting the onion there.
Now put the chicken.
Auntie, don't tell me, Auntie. I know.
Oh yeah, you know. Wow, smells good, Auntie.
Now I'm putting the chicken there. You see now? Oh, they take the chicken? Yes. I'm putting the carrot there. Yeah. Guys, I'm putting the water. I'm putting the soy sauce. It's okay now. I put the amadi sarap. This one how to call it black pepper. And now I want to put my spaghetti there.
Yeah, noodle.
Yes, madi sarap. This not the problem now.
It's okay, we will cut it later.
Now I'm mixing it.
Auntie Binta is the cook of pansit. Auntie doesn't have energy na to cook.
I have energy.
You have energy?
Yes, I have energy. You don't see? Probably should mix it like this.
Yeah.
Guys, I put the cabbage already. Let me see. Wait. And it's good.
It's good. Okay. So guys, we are starting now cooking the dough. Our palitaw. This is my first time, guys. Don't judge me. And also today we don't have niyog, guys, for the palitaw, and even sesame seeds. So we will just dip in the sugar. Guys, parang successful yung palitaw natin. Ayun o, lumulutang-lutang na sila, guys. Lumilitaw-litaw na, kaya pala palitaw. I'll show you. They are all cooked now, guys. So guys, this is our palitaw. finished, guys. That is our palitaw. Guys, they gave me lunch. So this is the first time I will taste this one. So guys, they call this plazas. Potato leaf, palm oil, what else? Groundnut paste, and okra. So we will try, guys. Guys, parang laing. Because they use potato leaf. Parang laing, guys. Masarap din siya. Ito yung pagkain ng mga bata. Okay, take it. Take it, take it. Cha-cha. 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 Guys, nandun yung mga kids. Doon sila kumakain. Hena?
Yeah.
Yes. Yan, Hena? Wow. Binto is almost done, no? Binto na, Hena? Auntie, how's your pancit?
It's nice.
How about palitaw? Could you please give us feedback about palitaw?
Palitaw is nice, huh? Everything is nice, huh? You see, and that is it. Me, if I go to Philippines, I will not tired there. I like Philippines.
Guys, we are eating, ha? Kain tayo. Auntie, say kain tayo.
Dami na, kudo mga.
Say kain tayo.
Kain tayo. Come on, eat, ah? Eat me, no?
Ate Binta knows now how to cook pancit.
I know it.
I'm eating also, guys.
Wait. I mean, not. I want to tell them something. Today, Auntie Maria will do today this thing. Culture like this one. Share it. Share that culture today. Auntie Maria will do that, ah? Yeah. You will see after.
Mga tropa, today magsusuot pala tayo ng isa sa traditional dresses nila. So, we will show you guys, ha? Guys, I don't know. How do you call this one?
This one is garambo.
Garam.
Na Auntie Maria wear the garambo already. It's yang iya halibi.
It's garambo ba?
Yes. Acha. Na it's this one. Yeah. Joko, taka. Ba mawala njeke.
This one will come out?
Yes. Hajat. Hey, push lang jamilan. Doon dem halatum ko siya. Dia mo lang ka jara. Dega, borom caay bi nak lamañ bi faro. Xana jaaja dégg nga. Acha. Acha come you go to mama.
Show the kids now how do you move it.
Waka jërëjëf. Welcome back na. Guys, today we do traditional of this series. Now this one is traditional of series. But we will do Mandinka one and the serial one. But this one is the serial one. After we will do the Mandinka one. You know that the small kick, all of them their age is the series. That's why they do this thing. Yes. Now, but before they will used to wear this thing. If they have program, they used to wear it. But if they don't have program, they don't used to wear it. Huh? Acha, thank you guys.
Auntie Binta, how's palitaw?
The palitaw is nice.
Palitaw is nice without coconut.
Yeah, it's nice. You know that you put the sugar.
Mm.
It's nice.
And also we ate pancit, guys.
The pancit also is nice. My stomach, huh?
Yeah, even me, I'm full, auntie.
Even me, sir.
So guys, did you see that traditional dress? How is it? Tell me if it's nice or not.
Auntie, the traditional dress is nice.
Yeah.
Like, even me, I'm happy for that. It's nice, huh?
Mm. The Cyril people, guys, they said that it suits me. Like, it's nice.
It's nice.
But I don't know what you will say, guys. If you will say it's nice or not.
Hey, you know that those people, they don't know this.
Yeah.
They don't know it.
Yeah. You don't know, guys. So maybe you will...
Maybe they can say it's not nice.
Yeah, maybe you will say it's not nice,
but for
guys.
us, we know it. We know that it's nice.
Yeah, I respect them and they said it's nice. So it's fine with me.
Yes.
Mm.
It's nice. We are happy. Everybody there, they are happy if they see my Auntie Maria.
Yeah, they are very happy. They're saying it's nice, it's
Yes.
nice. I just cannot take their face na in the video. But they said it's nice, guys. So I'm happy with that. And Auntie Binta is also happy. We have photos and videos, huh?
Yeah. Auntie, you see that this tradition, huh? Some people come, many tubabs, if they come to Gambia here, huh? They used to pay people and they do this thing for them. Yes, they will pay. But you see, Auntie Mara, they used to pay. They will, if they know that you can do it, they will call you and tell you, we want to pay you and you make this traditional thing for us.
So Auntie Binta is saying that there are white people, mostly European people, no?
Yes.
European people, they are renting this dress. They want to wear traditional dress from Africa, from Gambia.
Don't worry, you will see the Maninka one also.
We'll do it, guys. Auntie Binta will help us.
Maybe.
Auntie Binta jere jef baya.
Okay. Jere nyo ka boga.
So guys, slowly we want to show you, the glimpse of their culture, like this, their traditional dresses, because they are from different tribe, right?
Yes.
They are from the different tribe and they have their own traditional dress. So we
see these people also. You know that these people, they are this sincere.
Yeah.
Me also, I'm here. This is Maninka.
Binta is Maninka and there are
Wolof also
Wolof.
is there.
Yeah, so many. So we will try to show you the glimpse of African culture, guys, Gambian culture, while we are doing the video. So at least you are learning or you are getting to know something from here, from Gambia. So guys, that's all for today. That's it. So thank you for watching.
And don't forget.
Always remember.
Always remember, don't forget.
That you are amazing. Bye-bye.
Bye.